How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech. Today we're going to talk about Instagram. More specifically, a long-awaited, very requested new feature that finally allows us to switch the Instagram feed to a chronological timeline. So now we can finally use this new feature that Instagram implemented, and we can actually see the feed, the posts, in chronological order. So instead of using the algorithm, instead of letting Instagram decide which posts we want to see first, now we can finally go back like the old days and see the posts in chronological order. So the most recent posts will be at the top and the older posts at the bottom. So let me show you how it works because it's super simple. Now all you have to do is tap right here where you see Instagram, tap on the Instagram logo, and we have this pop-up menu with two options, following and favorites. And if you don't see this yet on your Instagram, wait, because I'll show you what you need to do. So if you tap on following, the first option, what you see right here is a feed in chronological order of all the accounts that you follow. Absolutely all the accounts. So as you can see right here, this post was posted 2 minutes ago, and if we scroll down, this one 9 minutes ago, and we can keep going 10 minutes ago, and then 12 and 14, and you get the idea. So we get this feed in chronological order showing us all of the accounts that we follow. And we have another option. So if we come back to the first page, to the home page, and if we tap on Instagram once again, we have another option which is called favorites. And if we tap on that, it will also create a chronological feed, but this time we can select favorites. So from here, we can select up to 50, yes, 50 of your favorite accounts. And then it'll also create a chronological feed of those up to 50 accounts. So here you can create, for example, you can add to the favorites list, to the favorites feed, you can add, for example, your relatives, your closest friends, the account you like the most, the celebrities you follow, your idols, for example. It's up to you. And it's super easy to do. All you have to do is tap on add favorites, and then it'll automatically show you a list of the accounts you interact the most. But of course, you can also search the accounts, the profiles that you follow, or you can go ahead and keep adding those. As you can see, it already creates the list, so you can go ahead and confirm favorites, or if, for example, you don't want a person, you can remove them by tapping on remove, and then remove, for example, and you can do the same. You can add one or another, so then you can create the list right here. And as I said, you can also search. So for example, I'm gonna tap on Cristiano Ronaldo, for example. I'm gonna add him as well, tap on done, and then confirm my favorites. And as you can see, that's the list. That's the favorites feed, which is also, as I mentioned, a chronological feed as well. So both of those new feeds, the following and the favorites, both of them are chronological, all right? So you can see right here, 20 minutes ago, 20 hours ago, and then 2 days ago, and you can see that's in chronological order as well. So you can come back. Now, I have a few more important information that I want to share with you. Let's come back here to the favorites, and one thing that's super important is those accounts, those people that you're going to add to the favorites, they will not be notified that you're doing so. So Instagram will not let them know that they are on your favorites feed. So don't worry, you can add anyone here, they won't know. And if you want to add it, no problem. You can tap here at the top right hand corner, tap there, and then you can easily remove or add the exact same way. So you can easily customize and edit your favorites chronological feed. All right, so let's come back. And now that you got the idea, now that you understand how it works, there's just one more piece of information that's pretty important. You got to keep in mind that the homepage of your Instagram will always remain the same. It will always be based on the Instagram algorithm. Instagram will decide which posts you'll see. The homepage remains the same. You can't change that. You can't make the homepage chronological. The only way to see posts in a chronological order is by tapping the Instagram logo and then checking your following or your favorites. So I want to make this very clear. You can't change, at least for now, your homepage. It still remains the same. And same thing for stories. The only way for you to watch your stories is through the main homepage, which, as I said, is still an algorithm-based feed. So keep that in mind. Now, if for some reason, as I said before, you don't see this new menu right here, if your Instagram hasn't updated yet, there's one thing you can do. You can actually exit the application. You can go to your app store, let it load, and then tap on your face right here at the top right hand corner, and then make sure to update. Pull down all the way down to update. So just do that. And then you can scroll down and check if Instagram is here and if there's an update button, so you can go ahead and update. Keep in mind that you gotta actually pull all the way down, make the spinning wheel spin in order to update the list, all right? If you don't see Instagram right here and you still don't have access to the new feature, all you have to do is wait. Instagram is still making this available throughout the days, so if you don't have it yet, you will have it in a few days or weeks tops. All right, so that's it. That's what I wanted to show you. The new chronological feed update that Instagram implemented. That's super cool. How to use it, how it works, and I hope you could understand, and I hope you use it. All right, so that's it, and I'll see you in the next days as usual. Bye bye.